It's perfect pizza time. Here's how to make an amazing Margherita pizza in your Cuisinart indoor pizza oven. Preheat your oven to 700 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. The indicator light and audio alert will let you know when it's ready. Perfecting your pizza crust takes a bit of practice, so try store-bought dough first, then make your own from the included recipes. Next, using 8 to 10 ounces, roll your dough into a ball. Then, flatten it evenly from the center outwards. Lightly dust your pizza peel with flour and place your dough in the center. Now, you're going to work quickly. Add in sauce, then cheese, then toppings. Remember, a little goes a long way. Shake the peel to make sure the pizza isn't sticking. If it does, add flour and try again. Now, slide the pizza onto the stone. Set the timer for 5 minutes for a Margherita crust. Then watch that crust puff up and that cheese get all bubbly. When your pizza's done, slide the peel onto the crust. Take it out and set it on a cutting board. Let it cool for a sec. Add olive oil and herbs to top it off. Then, slice and serve. Now that's a perfect restaurant-style pizza made right in your own kitchen. This is the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven.